here we are inside the Perry 60-foot model. Perry has 60 and 40-foot products out here, but this home is spectacular. This is a floor plan that I have not seen in many of the Perry communities. So let's just take a minute to appreciate the wow factor of walking in the door in the rotunda. It's pretty amazing. And then over to my left is your home office. And as we said, all of the board and batten type work is very popular right now. We're seeing it on accent walls everywhere. And as far as the doors going into the office, I just wanted to point out, you can have solid doors, you can have the pane doors, but I am a fan of the solid glass door. Keeps it light and bright, but also you don't have all the dividers where it makes it really messy. So this is a nice clean lines. All right, so Perry is known for their wide entries when you come in and just the wow factor, but this is amazing to me. So check out these stairs and all the possibilities. We've got prom photos, family pictures, Easter, birthday, any kind of memorable event. You can drape your stairs with all kinds of decorations. Just the possibilities are endless there, but we don't see a lot of curved staircases, so this is pretty cool. All right, so here we are in the kitchen, and what I love about this floor plan is the way it all blends together, and when we turn around, you're gonna see that, how it leads to the dining and to the family room. So it's all open, great for entertaining, and this space is really nice. And when you come in, you've got a lot of space in between, so it's really great for maneuvering if you've got multiple cooks in the kitchen. We also have some really pretty accents here with the glass front, and I suggest that only if you are very tidy and gonna keep it looking good, but it's a beautiful accent there. Okay, we're in the primary bedroom. A couple of things I wanted to point out to you. A lot of the primary bedrooms do have a bay window bump out. This one's a little bit different because it's on a side instead of directly above, and it's gonna open up to the back patio. So it's just a little bit different like that, and if you wanna do some really pretty landscaping, it's a great thing to open up your curtains, look at it in the morning. All right, so another thing I want to point out too is this wall. It is wallpaper. It has made a comeback, and you're not seeing a whole room of wallpaper like we did, I don't know, 30, 40 years ago, but we're seeing accent walls. There's a lot of board and batten, a lot of shiplap, things like that, but we're definitely seeing wallpaper making its strong comeback. Right inside the master is the primary bath suite, and this is a doozy. Look how large this is. We have totally separate vanities, the soaking tub, freestanding. We also have quite a large shower. Step in, you've got the mud pan, you step down. This one actually has a bench in it, which we don't see a lot of that anymore, but they did tile all the way up to the ceiling. Highly recommend doing that. It's just a wow factor. It brings your eye upward. One of the things Perry is also known for is dual closets. So we're gonna take a quick look. We have one over on this side. I'll let you come take a look in here. All right, closet number 2. This way nobody is fighting for closet space. All right, so here is the powder bath, and it's not normally something we're gonna showcase, but this one's pretty cool. It has a wallpaper accent, but I love the floating vanity, and it's underlit from below. So it kind of wows you when you walk by. Here we are upstairs, and we have our game room and media. And it does have an overlooking into the family room and kitchen below. Thanks so much for joining us today in our tour of the parks at Wilson Creek in Celina, Texas. I hope you enjoyed the video. If there's anything that we can do to be of assistance to you in your journey to your new home in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, we'd love to help. Please feel free to call, text, email, However, you would like to get in touch with us, we'd love to hear from you.